Hi everyone, in this video I am going to add my voiceover to this particular video and we are going to do some editing and export the file to make our final project ready. So what I am going to do is I am going to click on import and I am going to select the voiceover that we have recorded in the last video. So this is the voiceover which has been added to the list of other files here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply drag it to the timeline. See, the voiceover is added to the timeline. Now I'm going to play the video and see how it sounds like. Hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video that just didn't look right? I had the same problem. Random clips, no real story. In this course, you will learn simple steps to create a video that's personal, consistent, and polished. By the end of the course, you will have a 30 to 40 seconds AI video you will be proud to share with the world. All right. So if you see now, the voice is still going on, but the duration of the scenes is finished. This is the right time to do some trimming. If you observe here in the beginning, we have some dead air. So I'm going to trim it. I'm going to trim it and I'm going to move it to the left. Okay, now let's play and see how it sounds like. Hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video that just didn't look right? I had the same problem. Random clips, no real story. In this course, you will learn simple steps to create a video that's personal, consistent, and polished. By the end of the course, you will have a 30 to 40 seconds AI video you will be proud to share with the world. Perfect. If you see now, if you see now, this matched exactly with the narration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim it to the left, and you can play the last few lines again just to make sure if it is sounding correctly or not. 40 seconds AI video you will be proud to share with the world. All right, so it is exactly how we have thought in the beginning. So we have created, a plan to create 30 seconds script, and then we have created scenes, and then we have added voiceover, and everything matched exactly without any problems. Let's say for example, after giving your voiceover, if the voiceover is like 33 seconds and your videos is only 30 seconds, then you have to do some more trimming or editing so that all the clips and your narration are in sync. So we have to keep it in mind all the time. So this looks fine. Now what we are going to do is let us add some captions. So on the top you see various options here. There is an option called captions, so click on it. Once you click on captions, you see English and you see an option called generate. If you click on generate, it is going to automatically create captions for your particular voiceover or video. All you need to do is, once the captions are generated, just cross check if it has done correct job or not. Okay, so if you see here, it says hi, I am Naresh. So there is a typo here. So there is a typo, so I'm going to modify it. So I'm going to say hi, I am Naresh. It's Naresh. Now let's keep playing. Hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video that just didn't look right? Perfect. This sentence does not need any editing because the AI or the CapCut tool had generated captions without any errors or typos. Right. I had the same problem. Random clips. So it says I had the same problem, random clips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to give comma here. I'm going to give comma. Okay. Let's continue. No real story. In this code, and here it says no real story, and I'm going to give a comma here again. And let's continue playing. Of course, you will learn simple steps to create a video that's personal, consistent, and polished. By the end of the course, you will have a 30 to 40 seconds AI video you will be proud to share with the world. Alright, everything looks fine. I'm going to do little modifications. Okay, so this is fine. Hi, I'm Naresh. And the second one is, have you ever made a video that just didn't look right? I'm going to give a capital letter here. And go to the next one. It says I had the same problem, random clips. This is absolutely fine. Go to the next one. No real story, comma, in this course. It is absolutely fine. In this course, you will learn simple steps to create a video. Absolutely fine. Go to the next one. That's personal. I'm going to give a comma after personal. Personal, consistent, and polished. I'm going to give a full stop. Now let's continue. By the end of the course, I'm going to start with a capital letter. By the end of the course, you will have, I'll put a capital letter, 30 to 40 seconds AI video you will be proud to share with the world. I'm going to put a full stop at the end. So this way you have to modify if there is any kind of typos. Okay, give some capital letters, if there is any spelling mistake, correct it, put some commas, full stops, things like that. It's very simple. So once this looks nice, now what you can do is, if you want to change the font, you can change the font. By default, font is system here. If you want to change the font, you can change the font. See, there are so many options available here. I'm going to select one of the options from these fonts. Okay, I'm going to select this one. What is this? ENGRY. Okay, so this doesn't look that interesting. I'm going to select, hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video that just didn't look right? I had the same problem. Random clips, no real story. So if you see now, there are so many fonts available. I'm going to select this one, Zhuang. Okay, I'm going to select Zhuang. I'm just selecting a random font for this video. Okay, so you can select the fonts from here. If you want to increase the font size, you can also increase the font size. So it is 7. If you increase it, it is going to increase the size of the font. If you want to decrease it, you can just push the below arrow here to decrease the size of the font. So this way you can edit your video. Alright, so if everything looks good, you can play the video one last time, and if all the captions are aligned to the video without any problems and everything looks fine, all you need to do is export the file. Click on export and export it to computer. It could be desktop or any other location. So I'm going to save it on desktop. Export. So this way you can create your final video. So once the final video is ready, you can play it once and see if it is looking fine or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the final video. Hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video that just didn't look right? I had the same problem. Random clips, no real story. In this course, you will learn simple steps to create a video that's personal, consistent, and polished. By the end of the course, you will have a 30 to 40 seconds AI video you will be proud to share with the world. All right, so this is how our final video looks like. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.